Hey, we're gonna cook outside today because it feels good out here. But you know what's gonna be even cooler? We're gonna cook this in a flower pot with just 3 charcoal briquettes. And if that's not cool enough, we're gonna start that fire with a Dorito. Stick around to see if this thing works. Let's try it. Is there enough flammable liquid in one Dorito to light charcoal? Cooking with charcoal today, people. Let's see what kind of hamburgers this makes. Grilling in a flower pot. It's gonna be fun. Meantime, have a cold beverage of your choice. What do you think, people? You think this hamburger will get cooked on 3 charcoal briquettes? I'm gonna have to bet on a yes on that bad boy. Hamburger for shizzle. Can you hear that sizzle? I don't want this to be overly cooked, so we're gonna take a peek on the inside. Look and listen. 3 charcoal briquettes in a Flowerpot grill. Mission accomplished. Flowerpot grill test 1. 100% cooked a 80-20 chuck roast hamburger on a Flowerpot grill today outside. You know what? Everything tastes better outside, and charcoal takes it over the mwah. So I'm gonna do something real fancy. We're gonna take a street taco, and we're gonna hit it with this Kinder's Gold, and we're gonna try out this hamburger. Now, I like mine a little bit medium rare, but I think this Flowerpot grill actually got it well done. Hang on, we're about to find out. Oh, it smells like char-broiled goodness. This is what I call nothing but the truth, baby. What do you think's on the inside of this juicy thing? Can you see the juice coming out of that sucker? I think this is gonna be way better than a Whopper. That is hamburger goodness. You know what? That's a little dunner than I like, but can you see how much juice is coming out of this thing? I can't wait any longer. I got to see what happens. And we started it off by lighting a Dorito on fire. Maybe this is a survival tip. Maybe it's a fun project for your kids, science project. But if you don't have a grill, you can get a flower pot for $2.48 at your local Home Depot or Lowe's, and 3 charcoal briquettes. It's so good I can't talk straight. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you like trying to cook on a flower pot or anything else that we've done on this channel, hit that like button. It's running down my elbow, people. hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Give me a comment. And you know what? The best thing you can do for anybody on YouTube is watch this video all the way through. And in fact, if you like what you saw here and you want to see something else, click on this video right here. We're trying to monetize this channel. We've already hit 1,000 subscribers thanks to you. Now we just need the watch hours. So as many watch hours as you can give us on the long form videos will get us to our goal. And we really, 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 really appreciate you. Thanks for watching.